Hey guys, so today is day 12. I'm going to be doing 2 videos today, well 2 sessions. So you're going to be seeing me in the same clothes. It's 1:57. I have another session to do today. Well, this is the first one to do today, and then I have another one later. Oh my god. This one is called, let me show you. This one is called Facebook Answers Questions and gives the inside scoop on building community and earning money. So these are the people who are going to be on the panel. Maybe you guys know some of them. I already signed in because, you know, I'm always like running late or whatever. Yeah, that's how many people registered. Y'all know the drill. I'm going to give my opinion and show you guys what I learned. Like, tell you guys. And then, yeah, we go from there. Hey, guys. So, I am back. Oh, my God. I learned a lot. Like, I was getting distracted though because I was on my phone. Like, I needed to attend to stuff. But, yeah. I learned a lot. I am just shocked. So, basically, they're saying ever since, I can't say the word CC, so the pandemic, everybody's been online. And everybody's been creating content. And I was like, that is true. A lot of people didn't know that they could create content until the pandemic. So, the pandemic really has changed a lot of people. So, yeah, I learned about Facebook. How to be monetized on Facebook. There's a lot that I learned. But before I go into that, for Facebook, they want you to make 3 minutes or over videos. But they said in order to be monetized, when they're looking for monetization, they're going to be looking at 3-minute videos. But just because you're going to be looking at 3 minutes video, look into making 3 minutes and over. So it's like Facebook, basically. I mean, not Facebook, hear me. It's like Instagram. You know how Instagram people make less videos? Don't. So for me, if I was going to join, it's going to be easier because I already make a lot of videos and I make over the 5 mark. Sometimes it goes over to 20 minutes or over. So now I'm constantly cutting it down to 20 minutes exact, and then I make it into a part 2. But you guys are seeing now I'm making it 14 minutes, 12 minutes. I'm sorry, I just like talking. I got comfortable in front of the camera, so you know. So yeah, for monetization, they're only looking for 3 to 8 minute videos. They said they want to see a lot of diversity videos. I was like, this reminds me of when I went to college. They talked about diversity. Thank God I went to college and they taught me all this too. So yeah, diversity in the videos, which is good. They also said to use captions and subtitles because there's going to be a lot of people watching either in mute or they don't speak English. One, he said speak English, understood, but we said watch in mute. Why would you watch in mute if... But then I guess Facebook and YouTube are different because if somebody watches in mute, they say, I don't know, that it doesn't count. Well, there's also new stuff that they put into the Facebook and Facebook for creators. So I didn't even know they had Facebook. They have Facebook for creators. Before I get into that, I'm shocked. Before I get into Facebook for creators, y'all, I am going to talk about the other stuff, the steps in getting monetized. Okay, so they have YouTube. No, they have sorry, not YouTube. Let me get my water. This tack. My thing is dying, of course. They have Creator Studio. When I said that, I was like, this is exactly like YouTube. Like, oh my god. They have Creator Studio, which shows you. It's like it's like YouTube. They have a Creator Studio that like YouTube that shows you everything. Your performance, your analytics, your audience retention, how many views, where your views are coming from, how your audience interacts with you, and all that. They have that all in the Creator Studio. And I was like, makes sense. They're also saying make sure you have a schedule. When they said all this, I'm like, this reminds me of YouTube, so this is going to be good for me. Also have a schedule. Let your audience know when you're going to be posting. So like for me, as you guys see, I post Monday and Wednesdays. Well, if you're new joining and you didn't know, I post Monday and Wednesdays with a bonus video within the week. Sometimes I post Wednesday, sometimes I post Tuesday, but the bonus videos now I am bringing it on Thursday because if y'all didn't know, there's an audience tab that tells you when your audience go online, and it's Thursday. It's not Thursday, but like it's in between there. My thing changed now because most of you are back in school or working. So yeah, once you do a schedule, also post it on your page. And I was like, okay, makes sense. Let me go into my other notes. They were saying as they were saying take notes, I was like, I am taking notes. I felt like I was in school. But yeah, they also have fans subscription. So self-explanatory. Your fans subscribe to you. Subscription, like subscribe, you know. I don't know if it's free though. Should be free, but yeah. They have a star page. So like as you're doing live streams, they what does it mean? They give you stars. Oh, stars meaning like it's like the super chat on YouTube. So like as you're live streaming on YouTube, people come and do a big super chat that highlights your name, and then you pay whatever money you want. Well, this is the same thing. They could pay you $20 for 120 stars. They could pay $1.99, that is 95 stars. 250 stars cost $4.99, and 530 stars cost $10. But I don't know if this is US money. I'm pretty sure this is US money, because when they were talking about Facebook, a lot of it was like, oh, this is for States people only, this is for States people. And I'm like, what about Canada? We're the same. I know some of you don't want to be connected to us, but we're connected if you like it or not. Also, what else? They have paid online events. When they said that, I was like, makes sense. They said they just brought this. I don't know if they just brought it. Some of you who are on Facebook, let me know. They have paid events because like the pandemic. So if you made an event, this is also good too when you get sick, because there's a lot of people who can't go because sick due to sick or due to family issues. They're like having family I don't know what the family issue is, but we're just gonna say family issue because it's broad, you know. So this is good. You could do an online event at your home, convenient of your own home, anywhere, and it's a paid event, and you do the event there. Done. So the event is still going on, whereas like if you can't travel to the place, you know. Smart. They also have rooms to live, which is, this is new. I think this came out last year. Rooms to live is I don't even know what it is. It looks like a group chat that looks like Zoom. So yeah, I can't really give you much information on that, but you guys see it. You can have more than one people in a room in the chat. I mean in the live. They also have, already talked about Creator Studio. They even have a dashboard. When I saw the dashboard, I'm like, this is like YouTube. It's basically like YouTube that tells you your analytics and everything. And yeah, it says video details dashboard. So the dashboard tells you your retention, your all that, and your money, how much money you make and all that. They also have comment insights. So comment insights meaning how your audience interact with you, like how many comments you get, how many likes and all that, how many impressions you have. And yeah, you just basically see how many comments you have. So in order for you to get paid, this is the big one you guys are wanting to know. In order for you to get paid, Facebook pages less than 30 days old are not eligible for monetization. So if it's less than 30 days old, it can't be monetized. To qualify for ad breaks, you will need 10,000 followers and 30K plus 1 minute views on 3-minute videos in the last 60 days. So you will need 10,000 followers, 30K views. It says 1 minute on 3 videos. So I guess if you get 1 minute on 3 videos, that counts. And then it has to be within 60 days. It makes sense. And then my other note says, yeah, you have to have a minimum. I don't know. That was what a screenshot that I got from somebody who is monetized, because these groups that I'm in, someone is already monetized on Facebook, and this is what they gave. This is the monetization rules. But this is what they told me today when I learned. They said you have to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. So like the starting is 10,000. That's like the minimum, like the starting, and then over. And then you have to have 30,000 minutes of views. When I saw that, I was like, that's kind of easy for me. But then it's kind of not, because if people don't watch your stuff, you know. You have to be over 18 years of age, and you have to make sure the monetization is within your country. When I saw that, I was like, makes sense, because YouTube monetization is not in every country. Like I see in a lot of Indian people are like, oh, I'm in Bangladesh, blah blah blah. It doesn't make sense. It says I'm not monetized. How come I can't be monetized? Why? Because it's not in your country. All right. Wow, 10 minutes. I was able to wrap everything. So as they were recapping and doing everything, they're also saying to do videos that your audience want you to do. So also, since they give you the Creator Studio tab, go to the Creator Studio tab and see what your audience are watching more. So since, let's say you made a hair video and you see that your audience are watching more of the hair videos, do that video since your audience have watched more of it. But then at the same time, another guy was saying, do what you feel passionate about. I like that, because that's me. Like you see on YouTube, like right now, I do what you guys like, and I also do what I also like. I can't always do videos pertaining to what you guys like, because what if I can't do that day? You know what I mean? I'm trying to bring you guys other news. So yeah, do what you like and do what other people like, your audience. So as they were closing or whatever, they gave us a link to create an account. It's called Facebook for Creators. I was like, what? Where have I been? I already have a group. It's not public, but I think I'm going to be using Facebook a lot now, because Facebook, I keep going back. I don't know why. As you guys know, Facebook bought Instagram, so it's a special tool. I don't want to do that because I don't want people seeing the same stuff, because they're gonna get bored, right? But you got to do what you got to do, promote your stuff, right? So Facebook and Instagram, there's a way where you could tie both accounts together. So whenever you're posting on whenever you're posting on Instagram, it automatically goes onto Facebook. So I am on the website that they gave us. It's called Facebook for Creators. So I'm going to leave down the link in the description and the comment section, because you guys don't like to read the description. I don't know why. That's important information you guys should be reading. But yeah, I am going to screen record. This might be a long video too. It's saying 13 minutes. I was about to wrap it up, but until I saw the link. So I am going to screen record and show you what the Facebook for Creators page is about. So let's get into it. There we go. So I don't know if it's screen recording still, is it? Okay, it's screen recording right now. So this is the page. It says Facebook for Creators. As you guys see, it says empowering video creators to build a community and business. Why create with us? Facebook and Instagram offer creators the tool to turn their passion into reality. It says get creative, discover new ways to express your ideas, get connected, bring family and fans together around shared experience, get rewarded, unlock tools, and earn money. As you can see, it says 3 minutes, whatever. You will get that 3 minutes fast, whereas on YouTube it's kind of hard, because they basically want your watch hours. They don't want watch minutes no more. So Facebook is different. So yeah, here the thing, it says build, you will show, create education, blah blah blah, start earning money. It says apply apply to access ads, brands and fans and tools, your secret weapon, get creator tool, there's a video established, blah blah blah.